Hey sword friends, I have this old Shokosugi Ninja Toe. It's one of my favorite swords. I use it all the time. It's very, very sharp, but it has stains all over the blade. I don't know if you can see that. Pitting and stains from oil and things, bad oil. Wasn't wiped properly, but you can see how messy that blade looks. It's just terrible. Now it has a nice polish on it, but the polish I'm not interested in. I want to use this, but I want to clean it up. Now listen carefully. I'm going to use one of these kind of Scotch-Brite pads, which is like a Brillo pad here. I'm going to use this on this blade, and I don't care if it scratches up the polish. I'm not interested in this shiny polish. I don't like the look of all those stains, and I know that this does work. Now I've wet this pad with water. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I'll show you. You can see the stains here. Now, just with a couple of movements here, this quickly removes all of those stains. I don't know if you can see that, but those are all gone now. That's just wetness. So again, if you're willing to not care about how the sword looks as far as mini scratches, which I don't care whatsoever, this is not an heirloom piece, you can use one of these Scotch-Brite pads on the blade and it will remove stains. It's not going to remove like pits of rust or anything, but as far as just removing stains, it works. Modern technology. So that easy and that quickly. As you can see, the blade is free of stains now. It still has a nice polish, but not as smooth, of course. I'm not going to use whetstones or anything. But just by doing that, it takes off all those oil stains. So if that's something you want to do at your own risk with your weapon, go for it. I don't recommend this on a nice heirloom or anything, or a really expensive katana, but I want the blade to be kind of nice looking again when I go back out into the woods this weekend to cut more stuff. So that's a quick way to use Scotch-Brite pads on your old sword to make it a little more nice looking. And of course, if you have any comments on what you use to clean your sword blades, go ahead and feel free to put them below so that we as a community can come up with some good ideas. This is just a quick hack that I do for my old swords. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.